The Hill House, a creation of Horomystudio, nestled seamlessly into the undulating landscape, a testament to architectural ingenuity born from the very earth it graced. The design wasn't merely imposed upon the hill, it emerged from it, an organic extension of the terrain itself. The lower floor, rather than a separate structure, flowed from the hillside, blurring the lines between nature and construction. It housed the practicalities of modern living, a garage, storage, and utility rooms, tucked discreetly into the earth, allowing the natural beauty of the site to take center stage. This thoughtful integration demonstrated a deep respect for the existing environment, a principle that guided every aspect of the house's conception. The true heart of the Hill House resided on the second floor. Here, the living spaces unfolded, bathed in natural light and offering panoramic vistas of the surrounding forest. A gentle creek meandered through the trees, adding a touch of tranquility to the already breathtaking scenery. This elevated position not only maximized the views but also provided a sense of seclusion, a private sanctuary amidst the natural world. The architects at Horomystudio understood that the location was more than just a place to build. It was an experience, a connection to the wild beauty of the landscape, and the house was designed to amplify that connection. The choice of materials further reinforced this harmonious relationship with nature. Local resources were prioritized, a conscious decision that minimized environmental impact and celebrated the region's unique character. The exterior walls were clad in gabbro diabase, a striking black stone from the Karelia region, its rugged texture echoing the strength and permanence of the earth itself. This dark, imposing stone created a striking contrast with the lush greenery surrounding the house, while also providing a sense of grounding and stability. Adding a touch of traditional Russian charm, delicate sliding shutters adorned the windows. These shutters, featuring intricate saw-cut carvings, were more than just decorative elements, they were a nod to the region's rich cultural heritage. The delicate patterns, reminiscent of traditional folk art, added a touch of whimsy and personality to the house, softening the stark lines of the modern architecture. They served as a reminder of the past, seamlessly woven into the fabric of the present. The facade of the Hill House was a dialogue between modernity and tradition. While embracing contemporary architectural solutions, it also incorporated details that spoke to the area's historical and cultural identity. The lacy sliding shutters, with their traditional saw-cut carvings, were a clear example of this fusion. They were a visual link to the past, a subtle reminder of the generations who had come before and the traditions they had passed down. Even the balcony on the second floor served a dual purpose, blending aesthetics with practicality. While providing an outdoor space to enjoy the stunning views, it also incorporated a clever lifting mechanism. This ingenious design allowed for the passage of a fire truck in case of emergency, demonstrating that even the most practical considerations could be seamlessly integrated into the overall architectural vision. The Hill House, in its entirety, was a testament to the power of thoughtful design, a place where nature, tradition, and modern living converged in perfect harmony.